Are you staring at a blank screen that says no signal on your Roku? I know how frustrating it is when you just want to watch your favorite show. Stick around because I am going to show you exactly how to fix this right now. First, look at your Roku device. Is the light on? If there is no light, your Roku might not be getting power. Check your power cord and make sure it is plugged in all the way. Next, check your TV input. Use your remote to cycle through HDMI 1, 2, and 3. Many people accidentally switch to the wrong input. Make sure the screen matches the physical port your Roku is using. Now let us check the physical connection. Unplug the HDMI cable from both your Roku and your TV. Wait a few seconds, then plug them back in firmly. A loose cable is the #1 cause of signal issues. While the cable is out, take a quick look at the ends. Check for any bent pins or dust inside the ports. If the cable looks damaged, you might need a new high-speed HDMI cable. If that did not work, try a different HDMI port on your TV. Sometimes a single port can fail. Moving to a different port can help us rule out a hardware problem with the television. If you still have no signal, we need to reset the HDMI handshake. Unplug both your TV and your Roku from the wall power. Leave them unplugged for 30 seconds, then plug the TV in first, followed by the Roku. Are you powering your Roku from the TV's USB port? This can cause signal drops. Try using the original power adapter and plug it directly into a wall outlet for consistent power delivery. Once you get the screen back, check for updates. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Update and select Check Now. Keeping your software current prevents many HDMI bugs. Sometimes a feature called HDMI CEC causes conflicts. To turn it off, go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Control Other Devices and uncheck One Touch Play. If you are using an HDMI splitter or a soundbar, try bypassing them. Connect your Roku directly to your TV to see if one of those accessories is causing the signal loss. As a final resort, you can try a factory reset. This will erase all your settings, so use it carefully. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Advanced System Settings and select Factory Reset. If you still have trouble, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. Please like and subscribe to TechVibes for more fixes. You have got this. Stay confident and I will see you in the next one.